Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet with some color. Brown color, light green color, green color, yellow color, violet color, red color, pink color, blue color, black color, orange color. First, light green color. Light green color, S. S for strawberry. Yellow color. Yellow color, T. T for tiger. Red color. Red color, U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Green color. Green color, V. V for vase. Blue color. Blue color, W. W for watermelon. W for window. Brown color. Brown color, X. X for X-ray. Light green color, S. S for strawberry. Yellow color, T. T for tiger. Here red color, U. U for umbrella. Green color, V. V for vase. V for vehicle. Blue color, W. W for watermelon. Brown color, X. X for X-ray. Thank you.